it was decided in the cabinet that the overall board structure of the MECL and its subsidiary companies will be restructured. It has been decided that the post of chairman and the post of MD of the MEECL, which is the holding company, will be segregated. The government has also decided that there will be a full-time managing director of MEECL, the holding company, and the full-time MD can be somebody who is from the IAS cadre, or can be a lateral entry, a technocrat who will be selected through a transparent process. The MD who will be the person who will be the MD of the MEECL holding company shall also be the MD of the MEPGCL, which is the generation company, the MEPDCL, which is a which is the distribution company, the corporation, which is the distribution corporation, and the MEPTCL, which is the transmission corporation. The MD will be the same for all the 4 companies, which is the holding company and the 3 subsidiaries. The chairman of the holding company, which is the MEECL, will be the power minister, who will be the non-executive chairman of the board. The chairman of the other 3 subsidiary companies will be the chief secretary or the additional chief secretary in charge power, or the principal secretary in charge power. So this was one of the most important decisions today that was made in the cabinet, and this has been taken in light of the fact that in the past 50 years the MECL has, or the corporation as a whole, which is during MECB time and during the MECL time, has been managed by officials from the state government who had multiple responsibilities, and hence it was not possible to give the necessary time and energy to run the corporation in a proper manner. And hence this decision has been taken in the larger and the best interest of overall restructuring and improving the overall performance of the MECL and its subsidiary companies and corporations. That is the first decision that was taken. The second decision that was taken was to regularize the encroached by the public in Williamnagar township. In 2002-2003, the decision was taken by the then cabinet to regularize and to have an agreement with the public who had been illegally occupying the land that was owned by the government. But from 2003 onwards till now, this decision was not implemented. Hence, the government of the day had decided to implement the decision for Williamnagar, where 2 localities, namely Palshragatham and Varimagri, where approximately 1,200 houses are present and families are present. These 2 areas will be regularized, and government will sign a long-term lease with each of the occupants, where the ownership of the land will remain with the government, but a long-term lease will be signed with the occupants. The limit has been set at 10,000 square feet for each family, and the rate at which the land will be given, or the compensation, I'll just get the correct word, the rates that have been fixed for the settlement decisions. One is the Meghalaya Protection for Interest of Depositors Financial Establishment Rules. As you know, that this is an act that has been passed and even the RBI has pushed, and basically these are just the rules that are being put in place to ensure that the implementation of that particular act is put into place. It's a very long list of rules, but I think just the fact that the rules have been today passed is the important aspect. So the rules for the Meghalaya Protection of Interest of Depositors Financial Establishment Rules 2022 were passed. And another small amendment to the proposal to the Meghalaya Police Service Rules was made. Where it was proposed to amend the Schedule 1 of the MPSC Rules 1996 by increasing the number of posts in senior duty post from 21 to 24 and junior duty post from 75 to 102 by incorporating the newly created post. Comparative statement of the schedule is attached, and it is also